Project management.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Fikri bin Muhammad Aminullah. My ID number is PB21101. Today we will present the fourth topic titled Organizational Capabilities, Structure, Culture, Roles. Okay, these are subtopics under the heading of our presentation. Introduction. Do you know what organizational capabilities is? Organizational capabilities are a unique combination of skills, processes, technology, and human abilities that distinguish companies. They are created internally and thus difficult for others to imitate. The capabilities of the organization are the criteria used to make decisions about the design of the organization. They are the things that will differentiate the organization and help it. Okay. This organizational capability is used by many companies, and we choose AME Construction Sendirian Berhad as a reference and example in our project.
Next is Pure Project Organization. Pure Project Organization, also known as projectized organization, that spread from the functional unit in which all the members of project workforce are directly responsible to project manager. It means AME Construction Sendirian Berhad, the project manager has the extensive authorities of budget, personnel, and other decision making in this organizational structure. Next, functional project organization. Pure project functional organization is traditional type of structure where the total work of organization is divided into various functional departments or units as per requirement for making easy management. Metric project organization is a new and emerging organization structure that is receiving considerable attention in both developed and developing countries.
I want to present about advantage and disadvantage, pure project organization, metric project organization, and functional project organization under the company. For advantage pure project organization under the company AME Construction, which is the project manager has full power over the project and all project workers are directly responsible for project manager. For example, under the project manager in this company, which is mechanical managers and structural managers. So when the project is removed from the functional section, the communication line is short. While disadvantage for pure project, which is when the parent organization takes on several projects, it is common for each one to be fully staffed. Second, though individuals engaged with project develop considerable depth in the technology of the project, they tend to fall behind in other areas of their technical expertise. And next, for advantage metric projects, the first one is collaboration between different departments. For example, civil managers and mechanical managers. Next, combines project and functional management structure. The four examples, civil managers for project managers 1 and project managers 2. While for disadvantage metric project, the first one is managerial roles may not be clearly defined, team roles may not be clearly defined, the decision-making process can be slowed down, like company AME Construction. The last one is too much work can cause overload. Last one is functional project under the company AME Construction. Advantage for this have 3, which is there is maximum flexibility in the use of staff. Individuals expert can be utilized by many different projects. Specialists in the division can be grouped to share knowledge and experience. While for disadvantage, the functional division tends to be oriented towards the activities particularly to its function. Second, functionally organized projects, no individual is given full responsibility for the project.
So today I will present about Project Management Office or PMO. What is PMO? PMO is a project management office. It functions within an organization that defines the standard of project management and do whole lot more than that too. And purpose of PMO is to make sure that project and program are run in a reputable and standard. There are three types of PMO used in AME Construction Sdn Bhd company. Firstly is a supportive. In AME Construction Sdn Bhd, there is always a supportive PMO. They have made low control with the consultant role project. They also use supply template as well as demonstrate the best practice. AME Construction Sdn Bhd have a controlling PMO. They are those which faithful control the project office, provide moderated contract over the project, and they also provide support to training project and assistance to project manager. Lastly, company. They also have a PMO who always give instruction to his employers. They provide a high degree of control over the project. The project manager is assigned and has to report to the PMO. The PMO also manage the project directly.
I will share to you what is the organization culture. Organization culture is the proper way to behave within the organization. This culture consists of shared belief and value established by leader, communicate and reinforced through various methods, ultimately shaping employee perception, behavior and understanding. Just as a project manager need to understand the structure of the parent organization, they also need to understand the culture of the parent organization if they are to communicate effectively. Collectively, this can informally impact the organization, which is motivate the ethical action and communication of manager and subordinates, determine how people are treated, controlled and rewarded, establish how cooperation, coordination, collaboration, competition, conflict and decision making are handled, encourage personal commitment to the organization and justification for its behavior. Once a project manager understands the culture of the parent organization, he can determine how to best foster the culture within his project. In the AME construction, corporate social responsibility (CSR) portrayed through our continuing commitment toward eco-friendly construction solutions that significantly improve the quality of life of our workforce, family, as well as of the local community and social at large. Our dedication to incorporating the latest environmental and sustainable technology allow us to ensure that all our endeavors are durable for years to come. Sit at the core of everything we do. We know that trust built over time with action, not word, and we believe that the trust of our client is evident through our ability to secure continual business. For the conclusion, organizational culture affects all aspects of your business from punctuality and tone to contract terms and employee benefits. When workplace culture aligns with your employees, they are more likely to feel more comfortable, supported, and valued. Companies that prioritize culture can also weather difficult times and change in the business environment and come out stronger.